Welcome to Mandyland, a magical playground for creative souls.
Hey there, welcome to my channel. My name is Mandy, and in today's video, I want to talk about a few things. I want to talk about how if you have ever wanted to take your illustrations, your drawings, and turn them into stickers, it's actually quite simple. You can either hand draw your illustrations using Copic markers, colored pencils, anything really. You can paint them, or you could use Procreate or some other digital illustration software. Hello, kitty. Hello there. Just wanted to make an appearance. I used Procreate for these stickers. There's this quality to digital illustration that I feel looks really whimsical and cartoon-like when you draw things digitally, but don't let that stop you. If you don't have an iPad, if you don't have Procreate, if you don't have an Apple Pencil right now, then just know that you can do this stuff. You can figure out ways. There are a billion different ways to get to the same solution. What I'm using, like I said, is the Procreate app. I'm using my iPad. It's an iPad Pro, and I'm using an Apple Pencil. So I draw my illustrations on my iPad, and then I upload them to my laptop, where I bring them into Photoshop to make sure that the color is correct and to do any final last little tweaks. Then what I'm doing is I'm creating a sticker sheet and then printing them on sticker paper. I got the sticker paper from Amazon. Right now I'm in the process, because this is a new venture, of trying to figure out which sticker paper is the best for me. And once you print out your stickers, you just simply cut them, unless you get a machine that will cut them for you. My suggestion is to do some market research. Find a place where maybe you could sell your stickers. Give your stickers to some friends, or just ask your friends if they want a sticker, and then ask them which one they would like. Because for me, I drew probably about 10 different examples of stickers, and what I'm finding is that most people are gravitating toward one or two of my designs. Instead of going and buying all of the equipment and drawing all these designs, you first want to kind of test it out. So one of my most popular designs right now is the pineapple design. And for the rest of this video, I'm going to show you a little time lapse, and also how I am packaging up my first sticker drop, sending my first stickers out to someone in California. I actually live in Hawaii. My pineapple stickers, actually there were 3 of them, just went out to Lake Tahoe to their new owner. Also at the end of this video, you're gonna see where I have listed my stickers in my online shop. Now I have a website. I built my website a long time ago, and I continue to build it and tweak it because I'm the web designer, and I'm basically the designer behind everything that I do in my business. So from graphic design to marketing to accounting to the web design to literally everything. I go through Square, which also is Weebly, and when I first got my website, it was just Weebly, and this was years ago when I created my website. But since then, Square and Weebly have joined forces. You just go onto my website, mandytardif.com. You will see in the shop section how I have categories of things that people can purchase: paintings, prints, printable goods, coloring pages that you can download, stickers, so on and so forth. Now, I personally listed every single one of those products myself. I took pictures of everything. I typed up the title, the SEO, I mean, everything. It takes a lot of time, but I enjoy it so much because it's so fun to be your own shop owner. It's so fun to have your own creative business. And I encourage you, just like what I'm doing as a single woman who actually lives with a lot of chronic pain, that you can do it. Just start small, do some market research, and then just keep praying and just say, okay, God, should I go in this direction? Should I go in that direction? And just kind of watch the little tiny little breadcrumbs that get thrown out, where you get to like kind of follow, almost like follow the yellow brick road, and pay attention to the little synchronicities and things that come up in life that are ushering you to keep moving forward. You're gonna constantly be tweaking and doing different iterations of your website. God knows I have made a bazillion different iterations of who I am and my branding and my colors. It's all a journey, and really, I feel like having your own small business is a spiritual journey. It's really all about you.
these 3 little stickers are going to their new home. This is Pua the pineapple. So it's in a bag with the Mandyland sticker label. So I am going to put these inside of this envelope, but to make sure that it's sturdy, I am going to put this hard stock, like this is a pretty durable piece of paper, that's gonna go inside the envelope so that, yeah, it doesn't bend. We have all 3 stickers inside the envelope. I'll seal that up, address it to the people that it's going to, and ship it off.
All right, it is now time to draw Pua the pineapple in Procreate. Like I said earlier, I use the Weebly Square website builder to build my online shop. I list everything myself. You can get the Pua the pineapple sticker here if you want, or any of my other stickers.